Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you a side dish recipe which is the main ingredient is bitter gourd. So most of us, like 50% of people, won't like bitter gourd because of that bitterness. So today I'm showing you such a recipe with which like you can almost 70 to 80% you can cut off that bitterness of this bitter gourd. So before getting to the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So here I've taken a bitter gourd, as you can see, because nowadays we will be getting all these hybrid kind of things only. But if you can get a normal things, normal bitter gourds, it will be very tasty. And as it is a hybrid, that upper part you can slightly cut it off because that will add you more bitterness to the recipe. That's why little I am just trimming it. So then after, cut off the tips and you have to cut it into round pieces. So the round pieces about 2 to 3 mm size, because I am telling you the size also, because we will be going to make it into a deep fry. So if you cut it very lean, then there is like chances of breaking all. So that's why this is the tentatively this much width you have to cut it. Then after we have to wash it with the water cleanly. So if possible, you can add like 1 or 2 tablespoons of salt also. It will helps you to clean it more clear. So once you clean it, our bitter gourd pieces are ready to cook now. So as I mentioned you, we will be doing it a deep fry. So for that, I'm taking one kadai, and once the kadai got heated, as I told you deep fry, so you have to add little more oil itself. So this particular recipe, you can even store it because there is no way we are using water for this recipe. So this can be storable for 2 to 3 days time. Once oil got heated, we will be putting all our bitter gourd pieces into it and roasting. So this process will take about 20 to 25 minutes, and you can add salt also to the taste. And slowly this you have to cook in like low to medium flame only. And once you start turning into golden brown, it will be very fast. All the pieces will turn into that. So that's why in between, like once in 5 minutes, you just continuously mix it and keep it closed. So we will make that special powder which we use for this bitter gourd coating. So that will be done with the roasted chana dal. I made a powder out of it, roasted chana dal. Then I am adding chili powder to this, as well as grated coconut. And this coconut you can take dry and or wet also. So wet in the sense like that powder you have to use in 1 or 2 days. If it is a dry, then you can even store the powder also. Finally I am adding few garlic pieces to it, and I made a powder out of it. So finally I am adding salt to the taste. So if you require, you can add the salt when we are doing the when we are grinding it together. So our powder is ready now. So even this bitter gourd also almost got roasted. So this is the particular point from where you will get it into like golden brown very soon. So this would be the consistency. Once this to this consistency, you can just strain it out. So you can use the same kadai. Once you take out all the pieces, just strain out the oil into another cup. Then again you use the same kadai. So over in the low flame itself, we have to add the powder to it like this and give a mix. So just based on your quantity of bitter gourd pieces, you can just goes on adding this powder. So that's it. Our dish is ready. So this, as I told you, it is like storable, and you can feel very less bitterness with this recipe process. So hope you all like this making. Please give it a try. Don't forget to mention your comment. And if you like the video, don't forget to share the video. Thank you so much for watching.